Wig terminology. Words you should know. 1 to 10. 360 lace wig. A 360 lace wig is a type of wig that has a lace cap that covers the entire perimeter of the head, allowing you to create a natural-looking hairline and style your hair in different ways. Baby hair. Baby hair on a wig is a term for the small, fine, and wispy hairs that are located around the edges of the wig's hairline. They are meant to create an illusion of natural hair growth and make the wig look more realistic. Bleached hairline. A bleached hairline is a hair color technique that involves lightening the fine hairs around the front and back of the head, creating a natural-looking and realistic appearance. Bleaching knots. Bleaching knots is a technique that wig wearers and manufacturers use to make the wig knots less noticeable. The bleach lightens the knots and helps them to blend in with the lace cap and your skin. This creates a more natural and realistic look for the wig, especially around the hairline and parting areas. However, bleaching knots can also weaken the knots and make them more prone to shedding. Braid wig. A braid wig is a type of wig that has braided hair extensions attached to a wig cap. Braid wigs can mimic various braided hairstyles, such as cornrows, box braids, twists, and more. They are popular for their convenience, versatility, and protection of natural hair. Bulk hair. Bulk hair is a term for loose bundles of human hair that are collected from a single donor or source. Bulk hair is often used to make custom hair extensions, wigs, and weaves. Bulk hair can be processed or unprocessed, depending on the quality and preference of the buyer. Bulk hair can also be dyed, bleached, curled, or straightened to create different styles and colors. Bust-down wig. A bust-down wig is a type of wig that has a very straight and precise middle parting, giving it a symmetrical and balanced look. The part is so straight that it is said to be busted down the middle. Cap size. Wig cap size is the measurement of the circumference of your head that determines which size of wig will fit you best. Wig cap sizes vary from brand to brand, but they are usually categorized into mini petite, petite, average, large, and extra large. Closure. A closure is a type of hair piece that covers a small area of the head, usually at the crown or the front, to create a natural-looking hairline and parting. A closure is made of natural or synthetic hair attached to a lace or silk base. It can be used to close off a wig or a full sewn-in weave. Closure wig. A closure wig is a type of wig that features a closure piece. A closure is a small piece of lace or silk with hair strands attached to it. It is designed to mimic the appearance of a natural scalp and hairline. The closure base is available in multiple sizes.